Howdy, and welcome back to InterConnect Wiring, where connections matter. I'm Steve Floyd, Business Development. Did you know that we had a new state-of-the-art sheet metal shop, and we unveiled it for you? Come check it out with me on this tour of our new sheet metal shop. Every project begins here at our CNC routers. From raw aluminum, engineers program each job using exact design specifications. The CNC routers cut and shape raw sheet metal into precise parts, ensuring tight tolerances and consistent repeatability. From simple profiles to complex geometries, this is where the foundation for quality is set. Once cut, parts move to our coordinate measuring machine, or CMM. This automated inspection system verifies every dimension against the CAD model, ensuring that parts meet strict airspace tolerances. By catching even the smallest variation early, we guarantee our components are right the first time and every time. Next stop, the brake press. Here, flat sheet metal is precisely bent and formed into its final shape. Skilled operators program each bend angle and radius, making sure every part is accurate and consistent, ready for assembly. For parts requiring permanent joining, we utilize spot welding. This process fuses metal surfaces together at exact points, creating strong, clean bonds without the need for additional fasteners. Each weld is tested to meet our stringent strength requirements. InterConnect Wiring is listed on the QCS-001 spec for Lockheed Martin. Our punch machines create holes, slots, and shapes quickly and accurately. From single parts to high volume runs, with tooling tailored to each project, we maintain efficiency without compromising precision. Complex features and precision detailing are handled by our 4-axis milling machine. This advanced equipment allows us to cut intricate contours, slots, and patterns that can't be achieved through bending or punching alone. It's where craftsmanship meets advanced manufacturing technology. When rivets are required, our rivet presses deliver a secure, vibration-resistant fastening solution. Using the correct rivet type and pressure, we ensure structural integrity while maintaining aircraft-grade quality. To complete the process, our paint booth capabilities allow us to finish parts with durable, aircraft-grade coatings. Each part is prepped, painted, and cured under controlled conditions to ensure corrosion resistance, longevity, and a flawless appearance, meeting both functional and aesthetic requirements. From raw aluminum to final inspection, every part of our process here at InterConnect Wiring Sheet Metal Shop is quality driven and performance proven. We're here to support all your aerospace manufacturing needs for sheet metal. That's it for this video. Be sure to check out our website for more future videos, articles, and updates, and be sure to like and subscribe.